In today's video, I am going to teach you how to trade gold on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to your watch list and locate XAUUSD, which is the symbol for gold against the US dollar. This is the instrument you will be trading. After you find XAUUSD in the watch list, double-click on it to open its chart. The chart will appear on your screen and give you a live view of how the gold market is moving. Take a moment to review the current market price and the recent price action on the chart. This will help you confirm that you are looking at the correct market before placing your trade. When you are ready to enter a position, click New Order on the top toolbar. You can also right-click directly on the chart and select Place New Order. Either method will open the order window for your trade. In the order window, first confirm that XAUUSD is selected as the trading symbol. This is an important step because you want to make sure your order is being placed on gold and not another instrument. Once that is confirmed, enter the quantity for your trade. This determines the size of your position, so make sure you choose an amount that matches your trading plan. Next, you have the option to set a stop loss and a take profit. A stop loss helps limit your potential loss if the market moves against you. A take profit allows the platform to close your trade automatically once your target price is reached. These settings are optional, but they can be useful for managing risk and planning your trade clearly. Now choose your trade direction. Click Buy if you expect the price of gold to rise. Click Sell if you expect the price to fall. After you submit the order, wait for it to be executed by the platform. Once the trade has been placed, go to the Trade section and look under the Positions tab. There, you can verify that your gold trade is active and review the details of the position you just opened. That is the full process for trading gold on Pepperstone using Trader. Follow each step carefully and always review your trade details before submitting an order. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.